all seen big content creators like Chamberlain and the Better You podcast on YouTube talk about getting a hobby and how good having a hobby is, right? And the reality is, if you have crafted ever before, you know that it can be expensive. Some of them are pretty pricey, but don't let that scare you. Push that aside, because today you have 5 more affordable crafting hobbies. So let's get into this. I researched 50 crafting hobbies, and these are the 5 most affordable for you to start. I found a list of hobbies off of Country Living, put them all in an Excel sheet, yeah. And I found out which one was the cheapest by researching a kit for each and every one. Yes, this did take some time, yeah, but that's okay, because now you have 5 hobbies that you can do for really cheap, so stay tuned. So I did opt for doing a kit for all these hobbies because some of them had so many tools, and I didn't know what was important for you to make what you wanted to make. I just did not know, so that's what I did. I did that. But anyways, let's get into these results. I want to know. In 5th place, we have wool weaving. What is this? What is this? Do you know what this is? Alright, so in 5th place is wool weaving. As you can see, hopefully, it is $19, so it's the most expensive one so far. This particular kit didn't have very many reviews, but the reviews that I did read did seem to be pretty positive, so there is the upside of that. Yeah, not much to say. I have never done this before, so I don't really have any comments on that. In 4th place is Origami. This one I love. I love that it has little patterns in it. It has a little book, but don't worry if you don't like the items that they show in the book. YouTube has a lot of good tutorials. I'll kind of show a clip of what I have made. This is from Star Wars, so there's definitely some good stuff on YouTube. This one, I love that it has patterns in it. I think that is so cute. I personally have a similar kit, but it doesn't have the cute little paper, so you can kind of see. I found most of my patterns or things I made off of YouTube, so even though it comes with a book, if you want to advance, you have that free option. Origami for $18. Again, this does not include taxes or shipping, but yeah. And this is my little origami thing. It is something from Star Wars that I can't remember. I can't lie. It was from my husband and he likes it. So if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. I want to come out with more hobby stuff, so yeah, you got it. In third place is Willow Weaving, or maybe you know it by basket weaving. I'm not sure. This is $17. I found a kit off of Amazon and then another store. The only thing is Amazon had one picture of what does it include? I don't know. So it makes me feel a little weird. That's why I included another one. I do have a friend that had this hobby, or has this hobby, and she actually made me a little basket and stuffed it with some stuff for I think like a going away party one time, and I really love it. It's something that I use and it's out and about. How do I say that? It's something that I love and really cherish because you know they put so much time and effort and thought of you when making that. So definitely love that. This is the basket my friend made. She put these little ropes on here. It's a good size. It stays in the corner and keeps all my blankets. And I think she sprayed it with some protectant. I just kind of remember it smelling like that. So yeah, you can see the cute little detail. Yeah. In second place is jewelry making for $16. I personally chose this kit because it is so beautiful. It has good ratings and it has lots of beads, and I love the little like examples that they show you right there. I just think that's so cute. So for $16, and the fact that I get to make more than one bracelet, might have to buy this one myself. And now the time is here, what you've all been waiting for. Beep. I don't know what that is. We should probably cut that out. Okay, so yeah, the time has come, but the time has not come to me getting better at pronouncing things. I think this word is macrame. I don't know how to say it, don't come for me. But the things that hold pots when they're hanging, yes, that. Very cute, creative, and fun. And there's many things you can make. It looks like I've never done this before, but it is so cheap. For only $15 you can get this kit. I might have to also get this one because I would love to be able to hang up my one and only plant that is still alive. But nonetheless, like, maybe I'll get better just so I can make these. So yeah. Anywho, so now you have seen the 5 cheapest hobbies. Again, it was wool weaving, origami, willow weaving or basket weaving, jewelry, and macrame. I know I personally have a few of these that I really want to try out, and if you end up buying one of these kits, let me know in the comments and tell me how you like it. I'd love to know. So thank you so much, you guys, and have a good one.